There's just something about dumplings that make them so craveable. I'm not too sure it's because they're so cheap and easy to make, or if it's because you could just fill them up with just about anything. But I love eating them. And today we'll be making gyoza, which is a Japanese type of dumpling. We'll be filling it up with pork and spring onion, and then we'll be pan frying it. I'm trying to do voiceovers for these videos, but I'm really struggling in recording myself while I watch these videos. I don't know why, but hopefully I'll get it done in the future. And I'll see you guys in a bit. The crispy parts on the edges are like my favorite bit. So if you're ever pan frying dumplings, make sure you always do it like this. It just gives it that little extra bit and takes it over the top. If you guys enjoyed watching this video, please leave a like and a comment. And if you really want to watch more of me, I don't know why you'd want to do that, you could always subscribe. And then I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.